Akwaba, welcome to Ghanaian dialects. Learn Akan, that's Twi and Fante. Anope mehoye, na minuse moso sa. Meaning, I'm fine this morning, and I hope you guys are doing same. We learned that there are many other native languages here in Ghana, but Akan is widely spoken. So, if today is your first time here, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get more of our videos. Without wasting much time, let's quickly remind ourselves what we learned in the previous studies. That is greetings in Chia in Akan. And we said greeting is very important to we the Africans, and also it shows sign of respect to we the Africans, especially Ghanaians. And we also learned how to greet one another and the way you greet the aged in Ghana. So we said in Fante, when the sun rises, we greet Memau Achin. Memau Achin. That's good morning. And in the afternoon, we greet Memau Aha. Memau Aha. If you want to say it's noon, we say Prem Ato. Prem Ato. Like I said, when you are in Ghana and it's 12 o'clock, you hear the newscasters, the news readers, Prem Ato. That means it's noon. And in the evening, because it's sunset, we greet Memau Ajo. Memau Ajo. That means everywhere is cool and calm. That is good evening. And good night, we all know, is Daiye. Daiye. That is good night. Daiye. So that's how we greet in Fante. And also in Twi, it's quite similar. In the morning, we greet Maache. Maache. That's good morning. And in the afternoon, we greet Maha. Maha. And like I said, if you want to say it's noon, we say Premo Ato. Premo Ato. That is, it's noon. And in the evening, we greet Majo. Majo. That is good evening. And good night, we say Daiye. 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 These are some of the things we learned in our previous studies. We may just mention a few. And as we know, today is a new day. So we are going to learn a new thing. But before that, if it's your first time here, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. The name still goes this way. Nana Adwa Komiako Zash. So today, we are going to learn days of the week in Akan. That is Dapenda. One might ask, why days of the week in Akan? Because we normally know that it's Monday, Tuesday, etc. But in Akan, it's different. So, we are learning days of the week in Akan to help our learners, visitors, tourists who will come to Ghana to know every local name in Akan. And you must bear in mind that our local names was being derived from the days of the week, which is Dapenda. For instance, when a new baby is born, there is only one question we do ask. That is, when was the baby born? Or, when is he or she born? Do you know why? Let me tell you. We do ask to know the particular day of which the baby was born, to know the name of the baby. That's why we ask. unlike the other countries. But here in Ghana and Ghana community or society, it's quite different. Let me share my experience with my American friend. She came to Ghana, we had a little chat, and in our conversation, I asked her, when was she born? And she was like, hey Susan, I don't know. Does that really matter? I said, yes, it really matter. And she was like, no, all she knows is her name and her date of birth. That's all, nothing else. And she doesn't know. But here in Ghana, even though we have English names, we still have our local names maintained. That shows how we value the days of the week, which is there. Before starting, I would like you to take notes that in the pronunciation of any Akan word, that is the days of the week, it's quite similar but different, which is the Twi and Fante in the days of the week, which is the Dapenda. And you'll be hearing a repetition of word, da, at the end of every word. The da is a local name in Akan. So a da in English is day. Is day. So if you hear da at the ending, it's day. So let's begin. In Twi, on Monday, we say Edwoada. Edwoada. And Tuesday, we say Ebenada. Ebenada. So you hear the da, it's following. Wednesday, we say Wukuada. Wukuada. Another da has appeared. And Thursday, we say Yawoda. Yawoda. And Friday, we say Efiada. Efiada. And Saturday, it's Memenda. Memenda. Sunday is Kwasiada. Kwasiada. So this is how we pronounce days of the week. In Twi, this will help you to identify any name through the days of the week, which is the Dapenda. And in Fante, Monday, we say Edwoda. Edwoda. So you see, it's quite similar. Monday in Twi is Edwoada, and Monday in Fante is Edwoda. Edwoda. And Tuesday is Ebenada. Ebenada. So you see, it's quite similar. And Wednesday is Wukuda. Wukuda. Twi we say Wukuada, and Fante is Wukuda. Wukuda. Thursday is Yawoda. 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 Friday is Efida. Efida. The da is repeating itself again. And Saturday is Memenda. Memenda. Sunday is Kwasida. 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 So you see, it all ends with da, and it's quite similar. So this will help you identify a name from the Dapenda in Akan, which is the days of the week. So I would like to know the day of which you were born in the comment section. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get more of our videos. Subscribe, like, and share. My name is Nana Adjoa Komiako Zash. Bye-bye.